DC Types here. I've got two machines on my workbench today. First up is this 1928 Remington Portable. It has this really cool feature where you can raise and lower the typeset. And it's working fantastically. Nice sharp action. I will need to replace the rubber grommets on the case because, 1928, and it's already undergone some pretty significant cleaning that I've done and will continue to do, but this is in great shape. The other is the ongoing saga of the Olympia SM9 that is now primarily reassembled in beautiful condition. I've done some of the finishing touches to address any tiny little bits of remaining corrosion. And there we go. That's the final touch there.